Greetings, everybody, my Edo people. I'm your brother, your friend. I want to talk to my Edo people. I want to talk about Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I want to talk to the Lagosians, the people of Lagos State. You see, in Edo, some people are saying, Obaseki is the project. Obaseki is the project. I said no. Obaseki is not the project. Obaseki is the revolution. Obaseki is the change. Ask yourself why all these political godfathers in Nigeria, why are they so much concerned about Edo State election? All those elites, those old people in government, those kabab who think Nigeria belongs to them alone, why are they concerned about what is going on in Nigeria? Ask yourself that question. Then you will know the reason why we say Obaseki is the revolution. Obaseki is the change that we want. If we succeed in Edo, other states will do the same. It is time to retire these old people who see Nigeria as their own personal property. It is time to let them know the will of the people must prevail. Obaseki is not the project. Obaseki is the revolution. You know, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Lagos landlord, ran a personal address on TVC against our governor, Governor Godwin Obaseki, ahead of, Saturday election in Edo State. He called himself a Democrat. That's what he called himself, and I don't care. But me and you know he's lying. That's what he called himself. But what I care about is what he said concerning a performing governor in Edo. A man that came to spark the change we have been waiting for in Edo. He said Obaseki was never part of the struggle to bring this democracy and progress we are enjoying now in Nigeria. I said, what? Democracy and progress we are enjoying now in Nigeria? Are we enjoying anything in Nigeria? Democracy? Progress? In where? In Nigeria? He said Obaseki was never part of them. He condemned Obaseki and say he does not respect the rule of law. Obaseki does not respect the rule of law. Sorry, I'm shouting. Talking about my state, my people. How Edo will be best state in Nigeria. How we'll solve the problem of hunger and starvation in our state and in Nigeria. So if I shout, I'm sorry. Tinubu have no right to be interfering. You have no right to be. He can't tell us who to vote for in Edo. He must be sick. He can't tell us who to vote for. How can he say Obaseki don't respect the rule of law? Buhari, you should be telling Buhari that Buhari don't respect the rule of law, not Obaseki. He must be sick for saying that. Tinubu know quite all right that came September 19, when Edo finally dismantled Godfatherism, killed and buried Godfatherism. The people of Lagos State may just find a recipe and the formula for removing the shock hold placed on their neck, placed on their collective destiny for decades by Tinubu. They might rebel against him. That is the reason why he's afraid now, running a tasketer, making video, talking about Edo State election. This is not the first time we are holding an election in Edo. Why is it this is the first time Tinubu is doing this kind of thing? I'm not happy. He should mind his business, mind his Lagos business. He owns half of Lagos. He is Lagos landlord. He can extend or expand this nonsense they are doing in Lagos. He can't bring it to Edo. He can't. So that is the reason I'm making this video. I'm not happy. Tinubu have never, Tinubu have never sounded so frustrating and intimidated this way. It has never, he have never been this way. He knows there is a change. Things about to change. We are about to let these people know enough is enough. The revolution might start in Edo, and these people, they are afraid. How can he be using his own TVC to disgrace himself? Using his own TV station to disgrace himself? The nation newspapers and the journalists hang out. They are all doing the same shameless job. They call it journalist hangout. Hangouts for what? To mislead Nigerians? To mislead the people? Journalists hangout for what? For what? To keep telling the people lies. Tinubu is always right. To defend Tinubu. These sick people. Enough is enough. The revolution will start from Edo. We are going to prove to this old and sick people in government. The will of the people must prevail this time. Sick and useless people. How can you see it? How can you see it on your television running a personal advert against another person when you are not your party chairman? You are not your party chairman. You are not even protesting, and you are not even from the state. This shows desperation. This is a sign of desperation. Tinubu did not even say a word to defend the masses. He didn't even say, the masses. Vote for Ize-Iyamu. Vote against Obaseki. Because you have no light now, he will give you light. Because you have no job, he will give you job. Because you have no electricity, he will give you electricity. Because you are suffering, Ize-Iyamu can clean the tears, can clean your tears. Vote for him. No, he's talking about something irrelevant, something rule of law. Rule of law. Our governor don't respect the rule of law. What rule of law are you talking about? What rule of law are you talking about? How can he say that Obaseki don't respect the rule of law? Go and count how many rule of law and count a court injunction your slave master Buhari have rejected. You should be telling that to Buhari, not Obaseki. You should go and tell that to Buhari. What do you mean rule of law? Why don't people listen to that trash? All those things he said belongs to the dustbin. Even Tinubu himself belongs to the dustbin. Useless and sick people. God should just make me the minister of thunder. Make me the minister of thunder today for at least 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Make me the minister of thunder. Let me just strike this old baboon, Tinubu. Strike him to death. What do you take Edo people for? You think Edo is Lagos? We have been telling you people this. Edo is not Lagos. Edo can never be Lagos. One man cannot decide our fate. Enough is enough. What the fuck is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? We know your plan for this lamentation. Edo will not yield to your nonsense. Edo will never yield to this nonsense. Let Edo people decide who will govern them. Let Edo decide who will govern them. Talk about the Boulevard van. Talk about the Boulevard van. You never come out like this and talk about Buhari bad policy. You never talk about the suffering, the hunger and starvation that is hitting the masses so hard in Nigeria. You never talk about the killings in Sata Kaduna. You never talk about the this everyday kidnapping that is going on all over the country. You never talk about the increment of fuel price that you organize nationwide protest against the former president for. People can buy fuel now to generate light for themselves. And we have no light. You just want to kill the poor masses. You are not talking about that. talking about how you will impose your person on Edo. You must be stuck on stupid. That is the reason why these IPOB pigs, Nnamdi Kanu, bomb bastard IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu and his lovers in foolishness. These are the reason why they insult you people. We'll be blaming them. That why you insulting others. It is because of this kind of stupid talk. I'm not happy. If you don't like the way I'm talking, like I said, I'm sorry. If you don't take it to, I don't give a shit. You are talking about my state here. I know what they want to do. I know what they want to do. My Edo people, vote and defend your vote. If they rig that election, forget it. If they rig that election, we will reject it. We will reject it. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. But I know what they are trying to do. These army generals, they are talking about the Edo election. Police, all of them, talking about the Edo election. Why? Ask yourself why. Are they talking about the Edo election like this? As if it is war. As if it is war. Tinubu never come on air and talk about Buhari poor policy. Never condemn Buhari in any way. Everything Buhari do is correct to him. Then you can come out and begin to talk about Obaseki. You must be stuck on stupid. After I do, Lagos is next. Lagos is next. Your own disgrace is coming. Your own disgrace is coming. You never talk. Nigeria is not the capital of world poverty. Poverty capital in the world. You never talk about that. You never talk about that. Look at you are telling Edo not to vote for Obaseki, to vote for who? Yamu. You are the one who imposed Buhari on Nigerians. You impose Buhari on us. Look at the country today. You think Edo will fall for your nonsense? You impose Buhari on Edo people. You said Buhari is their Messiah. Buhari is their savior. You said if the only thing they have to do is to remove Jonathan, that Buhari will solve their problem. Look at Nigeria today. Look at Nigeria today. You see have the man to come out and be talking. They should stone you. Useless set of people. Useless set of for a price have gone beyond poor man affordability. And you see have man to talk. What have you ever made a video and talk about that? Dollar now is now equal to 500 naira. 500 naira. $1 is now equal to 500 naira. It was too something during the Jonathan stand. You all were insulting Jonathan. This is not about Jonathan. It's about the hypocrisy. Because you want power. You were condemning that man, not knowing you are going to do worst. Now you want to deceive Edo people again. You should be ashamed of yourself for coming up with this disgusting statement. Governor of Edo was elected by Edo people. Governor Obaseki was elected by Edo people. And you have no right to tell Edo who to vote for. You don't have that moral right to be making video using your stupid television station to be talking nonsense. You have no right. You have no right whatsoever. Can you say Obaseki? Tell me, how can you say Obaseki did not participate in your APC struggle? What struggle are you talking about? The one you people did at Ojota? Tell me anywhere it is written in our constitution that if you don't fight, if you don't join these people in their stupid struggle, you can't be governor or president. Tell me anywhere it is written in Nigeria constitution, if you don't fight for freedom, you cannot be president. Did you fight for the freedom, the struggle to kick Oyibo out of Nigeria so that we'll have our own country, Nigeria? Were you part of the people that fought for it? But you were once a governor. Useless set of stupid people. You are sick. Don't give a shit. No wonder those people are insulting you. People will be saying why are they insulting Eda. It is this kind of stupid talk. Lagos monkey. You ask Nigeria to reject Jonathan. And they did today. No one is proud of the country Nigeria again. And they are telling Edo to vote for who? the set of people that brought you to power. This in Lagos, the set of people that brought you to power in Lagos. Where are they? The people that brought you to power, that brought you out in Lagos to be a governor under AD. Where are they today? You silence all of them. Tinubu, you silence all of them. You kill that Foncho Williams. You think we don't know? You kill Foncho Williams of the opposition to get power at all. Which struggle are you talking about? Let us not make we not open book for you. Make you go relax. Don't worry you. You have no moral right. You have no right to be telling a dog to vote for, who not to vote for. Thank you and God bless.